We're on trial for blocking the water shutoff, Hamrick Incorporated water shutoff trucks last summer.
You know, this is just a little step and the big step that we're going to have to take to stop these shutoffs.
There were 9 of us who did that action.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Commander Barron, Commander Elvin Barron, Detroit Police Department. I have a prisoner bus coming. If you guys so choose to go to jail, I would ask that we do this systematically. I don't want anybody to get hurt.
At the time, we demanded a jury trial because the city of Detroit was under emergency management. So a jury was actually the last vestige of democracy in the city of Detroit. So we've been eager to put this case in front of a jury.
Yesterday, the city attorneys pulled a really dirty trick. They snuck over to Frank Murphy to file an emergency appeal without any notice to us. And they somehow, in an improper ex parte proceeding, asked him to sign an order staying or preventing the trials of 5 of the defendants from going forward today. He signed that order. No one from the city contacted us until approximately 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, after the order had already been signed.
Things that I just want to tell you, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. It's that old story that I remember hearing way back long ago, throw it against the wall and see what sticks. You remember that? Emergency manager. Oh, let's see, can you forget that we're here about disorderly conduct? What else can I throw at you? The water affordability plan. I'm going to throw out to you water is a right. Let's see, can you forget while we're here? We're not here about Governor Snyder. We're here about whether or not these people were disorderly on that day. I ask you again, find them guilty, we've met our burden. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Number of water shutoffs that were going on at that time, 3,000 a week they were trying to do. Those numbers have people and lives and houses and children behind them. That's irrelevant. The prosecutor says the city of Detroit is not on trial. The Detroit Water and Sewage Department is not on trial. The emergency manager who ordered these is not on trial. Hamrick Incorporated paid $5.2 million to do shutoffs is not on trial. I'm on trial. Marion Kramer is on trial. And I submit that at this moment in history in Detroit, all of us are on trial.
So let's all rise for the jury.
The jury was seated and was ready to deliver, go in and do their job. And it was snatched from up under them.
So you guys have gone through the trial process and then went to a jury.
That is correct.
Then the jury was going back to decide, to deliberate.
That's right.
So what's your response? Attorney?
This emergency motion that was just handed approximately 6 minutes ago at 4 o'clock p.m. Number one, it does not have a case number on it. Number two, it was brought to Judge Hathaway's attention improperly without notice to us. No order staying this proceeding has been served upon this court.
Okay, so let's go on the record. Prosecutor indicated they had an order. You never served it on Judge Garrett. No copy was ever presented to the judge. And that's been the whole part of this trial has been nip and tuck, hide and run. If something was going to be taken to circuit court, clearly the defense lawyer should have known. We recessed prior to the instructions. You got lost. You didn't say anything, and you were gone for over 20 minutes. Throughout this whole trial, it has been a cloud of I'll stop there.
It seems to me that they do not want a jury to decide this case.